Well, that's the bowl finished in terms of lathe work. That's as deep as I can get it on my lathe. The lathe is only a modelling lathe, which 150 watt motor. So this is as good as I can get it. So I'm now going to put some yacht varnish on it because I've got no other materials. A lot of people put wax on them and stuff, but I just haven't got it. So it's going to be Poundland varnish, and then I'll show you what it's like when it's had a coat of varnish. Okay, this is the first coat of varnish, and I put quite a lot in the centre because it soaks into the end of the grain. And I did give it a coat of varnish when I first put it on the lathe, just after I put it on the lathe, just to help prevent it cracking, because it is still green wood. I don't know whether you can see in this light, there's a few bubbles in the varnish, but it's coming on, it's coming on. I suppose I could bore it out with a pillar drill and get the centre out deeper, but to be honest, I'm quite happy the way it is. The tree stump bowl is now finished, and it's from the tree we had in the garden, a small tree, and it got, we believe, honey fungus attacked it, and this is where the tree was. Here you can see how white it is down the side, and there's another part of the tree I've kept falling over, and the stump, you see what's remaining in the ground. This is the next section that's above the bowl, and you see that's got an infection in it as well. And I'm keeping this bit back because I might be able to make something out of this as well. A few insects on it and stuff, and it's splitting and the bark's coming off. This is paint from where something was spraying on the end, and I'm going to cut it because there's a look at where the branch was, and hoping to make something on this as well. This is the bowl finished. You can see these sort of white marks, which I believe is honey fungus. I'm trying to rotate it so you can see it. I'm very, very pleased with it. The grain is absolutely superb. And inside, sorry if it's not showing up. There we go. So thanks for watching, and it just shows you what can be made from a scrap piece of wood. That's really only suitable for firewood, but it ended up like this. Cheers, bye.